Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to get the file and connection right now. Start by confirming your export is 1080p plus with H, 264 in an MP4 container. This reduces platform re-encoding. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network so packet loss is minimal. Make sure Facebook's Upload HD toggle is enabled in Settings Media before you post. Then upload the video file directly rather than sharing a link, because Facebook reprocesses direct uploads with better quality retention. Now optimize encoding so Facebook preserves clarity. Export at 30 FPS unless the source is 60 FPS. Use the main profile and a GOP length around 1 to 2 seconds to reduce micro-blocking. Target bitrate 812 Mbps for 1080p or 1525 Mbps for 4K, and use 2-pass encoding for more consistent quality. Make sure other apps that auto-compress are closed. Upload natively and add a high-resolution thumbnail. Facebook often ties processing priority to engaging metadata. Finish by verifying playback across devices. Open the video on desktop and mobile, and toggle the HD option in the player to confirm the higher stream is available. If you see unexpected compression, re-export with a modestly higher bitrate or switch to an MP4 baseline profile and reupload, because small codec tweaks change Facebook's encoder behavior. If problems persist, clear your app or browser cache, try a different browser, or upload via Facebook Creator Studio. This often bypasses mobile app quirks and fixes final delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.